Hi, I'm Monty. Thanks for coming along with me today. We're going to go and tour this brand new construction home here in the east end of Cheyenne. This subdivision is booming. It is one of the more sought after subdivisions we have going right now. These homes are high quality built, very solid. This particular home has a balcony off the back. We'll go take a look at everything here. Quartz countertops. All appliances are included. Beautiful finishing touches. Tile shower walls. Luxury vinyl plank flooring. High quality carpet everywhere. This is one of the smaller bedrooms. It's upstairs. Right now it's staged as an office. Has plenty of storage. Big closet area. Makes a great home office right up here off the kitchen. Gas range. Stainless steel appliances. Large farm sink on the island. Beautifully done. Lots of windows, good natural light. These windows are high quality thermal windows and doors, and that's important. Here in Cheyenne, in the summer we can have 90-degree or hotter days. These windows are important to help keep that heat out, and in the winter we can definitely have below 0 days or nights, blistery cold, that you want to keep the cold out. Also, they're very quiet, makes this a very quiet home. Here is the upstairs master. Large walk-in closet. Dual sinks, one on one side, one on the other. Large shower, again with tile walls. These drawers in here, as well as in the kitchen, are the no slam self-closing drawers. Sorry about that. Same thing right here. Self-closing no slam. Plenty of closets here. Some of them have shelves, some of them have rods in them. Let's go take a look downstairs. Great views here. This sits up on the edge of a hill. Be able to watch the sunrise, sunset off that balcony off the living room. This model has a full finished basement. Here's the utility room. There's one thing I want to point out is the insulated walls. Again, very important feature to help keep the cold out in the winter and the heat out in the summer. This has a walkout basement, dual sliding doors, a concrete covered patio. The covering is the deck from above. This house does come with landscaping. One of the bedrooms down here. Big closet. Nicely done. Well constructed. One thing I noticed being in this house is it seems very, I guess you want to say tight, very quiet. You can just feel that it's well built and well insulated. That was the second bedroom. And here's the basement bathroom. That house you can see there, the blue one, that is also available. It has an unfinished basement. These homes come with air conditioning, high efficiency furnace, tankless water heater system. Very efficient. Windows everywhere. I love it. All the natural light. Laundry area. More storage. This one has the rod. An open floor area. Another closet here. This one has shelves. So for laundry supplies or linens. And then the 2-car attached garage right off the laundry area. Very nicely done. Let's take a quick look around the living room again. We'll peek out one of these windows. Vaulted ceilings. Both of these models, this one that we're in and this one here, same upstairs floor plan. The one we're in has a walkout basement that's finished. The one next door is an unfinished basement and it does not have a walkout basement. Landscaping will be included in these homes. If you think you're interested in these or seeing more of them or any other homes in the area, my contact information is in the show notes below as well as on the homepage of this channel. Feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call. Be glad to talk with you and help you find your new dream home. I appreciate your time. As always, feel free to leave comments. Let me know what you think, even if it's just to say hello. Have a good day. Thank you.